Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain my CSS in CSS for my contact page. So let's go now solving my HTML code. This is my contact HTML code. Before I explain in CSS my contact CSS HTML page. So you not watch, so you go and watch this my video in contact HTML code. And this is my style page, and I write main address, and I write in text allied center and margin of 10 pix, and that's I'm writing new exploring, and then I use for contact page in like code background color, and then now then my this is only my contact page, only using my address. So that's it. Thank you for watching this my video. Thank you so much.